Filipinos also trooped to the Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan City for this morning's Freedom Day ceremonies. City officials led by Mayor Recom Echeverri took part in the celebration. This report.
Filipinos have once again attested to the importance of the freedom of our country as people gather at the Andres Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan City to witness Freedom Day activities and the releasing of balloons shaped like the Philippine flag. Local officials, together with personnel from the National Historical Institute, led the Independence Day celebration with the theme, Ambagan Tungo sa Malawakang Kaunlaran.
Naumpisa ng ating mabayani siguro sa isang magandang adhikain, no? Malit na pangarap upang maitayo tayo, may salba tayo sa mga mananakop ng araw. At kagaya ng bawat magandang layunin, magandang programa, nag-uumpisa rin sa magandang maliit na adhikain.
Also present to witness the commemoration of our freedom were some veterans. For them, the feeling of remembering our freedom will never get old.
Kaya masasabi ko po na ang kalayaan natin, pagdiwang natin at para makita ng mga kabataan sumisibol ngayon ang ating kalayaan. Dahil kung hindi natin ipakikita sa kabataan yan, walang mamamana.
Another group in attendance was the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce. According to the group, it is such a good feeling to see Filipinos united. The group also said that in modern times, freedom in commerce symbolizes the unity among the residents of Caloocan.
Sa paggugunita para matanda natin na maraming ginawa noong panahon nila. Bayani.
For People's Television, this is Regina Henshaw.